vlogging one, right?
Yes.
So you want to say something? Any information about the video? Is it any information about that aircraft? This one.
This aircraft.
What is this?
This is LCH Prachand. LCH stands for Light Combat Aircraft, and it is made in HAL. Very new. Just got inducted into the Army and the Air Force. I think it's deployed. The Army version is deployed in the northeastern sector.
I think now we have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, my boy. Who's calling me? I'm not here. Prachand, right?
Prachand, one of the lightest aircrafts in this category. 2.2 tons.